To sell stock on Sofi. Start by opening a Sofi Invest account if you don't already have one. Download the Sofi app or visit the Sofi website to sign up and fund your account with money that you want to use to buy and sell stocks. Once your account is open and funded, navigate to the investing section of the app or website and search for the stock you want to sell. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock and select it from the search results. If you own the stock, you will see the option to sell. Click or tap on the sell button and enter the number of shares you want to sell. You can choose to sell all of your shares or just a portion of them. Review your sell order to make sure everything is correct, including the number of shares and the price. Sofi will show you the current market price of the stock and the estimated proceeds from the sale. When you are ready, confirm your sell order and Sofi will execute the trade. The money from the sale will be deposited into your Sofi account, usually within a few days. It is essential to keep in mind that selling stock involves risks, including the risk of losing some or all of your investment. It is crucial to do your research, set a budget, and have a clear understanding of your financial goals before buying or selling stocks. Sofi also offers features like stop-loss orders and tax loss harvesting to help you manage your investments and minimize your losses. Take advantage of these tools to help you make informed decisions when selling stock on Sofi.